This is a charging table. You just set your phone there and it'll charge it up for you. Here's the beach. There's the bar just set up for the fireworks show. And those seats are 70,000 won, about $55 each. You can't get one because they're sold out. The ones up front is $130,000, 130,000 won, about $100. You can't get those either because they're all sold out. And if you think you're just going to stand on the street and watch the fireworks for free, you're wrong. They have it blocked off. The best way is to have a hotel room and watch the fireworks. But those have been sold out for a while. Anyway, this is what you get to see if you don't pay. And I'm quite sure the coffee shops have a premium for their seats.